Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to go over 3 ways of many that you can save some money, some cash on your rental property's expenses. Now the first thing that you should be looking at is your garbage, your debris removal costs. If you're not fortunate, like many of us, to have that included with your city or town taxes, you're paying a private company to come and throw away that trash. And what you really need to focus on is the size of container and the frequency of the pickup. Now, to give you an example here in Rhode Island, a 4-family house goes through about a 2-yard amount of trash every 2 weeks. So we have a 2-yard dumpster that's picked up every 2 weeks, and it costs about $72 a month. That's great, very affordable. But some owners are shooting way high, too far above the mark. They're getting the huge 6- and 8-yard dumpsters emptied every week, and costs are hundreds and hundreds per month. You can cut back on that, okay? Get a smaller container, emptied less frequently, and go from there. You could always increase the pickup schedule. It's up to you. But you don't want to overspend and shoot higher than you have to, because there's empty space left in that garbage can and you're paying for it. Okay? Second thing that you need to look at is your insurance. Okay? Insurance is very important because they're charging you sometimes based on the replacement cost of your property. So you're paying maybe $3,000 a year for your apartment home, but really if you insured it for the purchase price or the loan amount, the premium may be cut in half or more. So what that means is when you're insuring for the replacement cost and that place burns down, the insurance company will pay you to rebuild it. But who says you want to rebuild it? I wouldn't. I would want the money to pay off the loan, I'd sell the lot, and I'd buy my next property. I don't want to become a builder, a project manager, and I'm sure neither do you. Okay? So insure the property for the purchase price or the loan amount, which is most likely the requirement from your mortgagor, and you could save hundreds per month. Okay? It's a great idea. Third thing is your common area electric. Now, tenants love to flick on the lights and leave it. They're not paying for it. So the hallways, I suggest you get motion censored electricity. So the tenant walks in the front door, that light pops on. 5 minutes later, if no action or no movement's there, it shuts off. Very efficient, saves you not hundreds, okay, but dollars add up. And especially with a rental property, you want to cut the costs where you can, where nobody notices, and you're not taking things or services away from the tenants. So lights, garbage, insurance, these are easy ways that you can minimize your costs and maximize some more profits. Okay? So once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.